Hi, my name's Lawrence Bowman, and I am a 73-year-old type 1 diabetic for the last 60 years. My purpose, looking at the way my health conditions were, my leg's not good. I realized at some point I may have a little bit of trouble getting in and out of my house. So what I decided to do was get ahead of this a little bit and get the ramp put in before I had become desperate. I searched on the internet. I ran across, luckily, National Ramps. I spoke to Max. He was immediate on his call back to me. Actually put me in touch with a contractor. That was Noel from Bowman Mobility. He came up. My ramp is now in. It looks beautiful. Very nice. I'm very pleased with it. But again, my advice to anyone, don't wait till the last minute till you become desperate for a way to get in and out of your residence. The best thing to do is search it out now. My recommendation, call Max at National Ramps. Absolutely professional. From the first phone call, it's only been a matter of just probably a little over a week, and I'm sitting here looking at my brand new ramp. So that's my advice to anyone. Get ahead of it. Don't wait till the last minute. Thank you, National Ramps, for giving me my freedom back.